how to create and assign an assignment or a task or an activity in Microsoft Teams. It's actually super easy and you're going to love it. So I'll show you. Here is my grade 9 ICT class, right, or my team. And you'll notice that we have the conversations window. You guys are used to that. Files, the class notebook, and there is my assignments tab. And if you've noticed this, but you don't know what it does, this is the right video to watch, okay? So click on assignments, and now you're going to see previous assignments that I've obviously used and created. But if you don't see anything, obviously you will have a review, which won't work for you because there aren't any assignments, sorry, and create. So click on create. New assignment or a new quiz, or from an existing assignment. If you've created an assignment for another group or another class, you can reuse that. A new quiz, create a new quiz from scratch. That is fantastic. Now remember, the other video I did was on creating a quiz in forms. This is the same thing, okay? New assignment. Let's go with the new assignment and I'll show you all the options that you have available. So in our new assignment window, we have who do we want to assign this to. You can assign this to more than one class or more than one student if you wanted to. Here, I can choose specific students. So if you want to assign one assignment to 5 students and another assignment to a different 5 students, you could do that. But we'll keep it simple for now. Assign to, and you can see I can also choose additional classes or teams. That's very nice, okay. So the title, we'll call this, something really original. Assignment number 5. That's pretty cool. Right, so we've specified who we want to assign it to, all the students, the title of the students. You can add a category if you want to. This is only if you want to be able to search assignments, if you add a lot of assignments to a lot of different classes. Underneath you have your instructions block. Now, if I scroll down here, you can do some basic formatting. You can type out your instructions. Okay, so all your instructions can go here. You can format that, and you can also link to something as well. Now, underneath that, this is the important part, the resources. If you have a Microsoft Word document, for example, that you want them to type into and type their answers into, I highly recommend that because they can do it straight in Teams. They don't have to open Word or download files or save files or anything like that. You can add your resource here. So when you click on Add Resources, you can decide, okay, do I want to add it from my OneDrive, my notebook, a link, a new file? You can create a new Word or Excel document right here, or you can upload from your device. So if I go upload, for example, and well, there's one there. I'll just use this as an example and click open. Right, it now attaches that Word document to this assignment, and students will actually receive their own copy of that file. So they're not all going to edit the same file, which is kind of silly. They can now edit just that file, okay? I can also say that they can't edit, okay? Click on your 3 little dots there. Students can't edit. That's if you just want them to read the document or have access to the file. Any other resources, just click and add them to the assignment. Up at the top here on the right-hand side, we specify when this assignment is due. So if it was due, today or tomorrow, you'd choose the date that it's due, the time that it is due, and you can also say schedule to assign later. That means you don't want to make the assignment live now. You don't want the students to see it now in Teams. You want them to see it later. So if it was due on the 20th of March, for example, the date to assign it would be the 20th of March. And then you can specify the time that you want it to go live. What that means is that at that time, on that date, then the assignment is posted in your team, and then the students can see it. And they won't see it before then. Okay. Late turn-in allowed, that means after the time has expired, can a student still submit their work? I normally keep it on. Points, are there any points allocated? Is it out of marks? Because then if you are marking it online here in Teams, you can type their marks in and send them feedback as well, which is quite nice. This is actually a really nice feature if you've got time. It's the Add Rubric feature. Now, you've got 2 options I'm going to show you. You click on Add Rubric. You can either upload an existing rubric that you might have or have created, or you can create a new rubric right here in this assignment. So if I click create new rubric over there, you give it a title, a description, and here you start putting in your criteria and all the bits and pieces. It's actually quite nice, like I said, if you've got time, okay. But that is that. When you are done and ready to schedule the assignment, you click on that button over there, the one that says schedule. Okay, otherwise discard it, or just save it for now and you can carry on working on it later. You don't have to assign it right now or schedule it right now. You can save it, it'll be draft, you can edit it as long as you like, and then publish it for a later time.